Limit of a sequence. Question 2. What is the appropriate limit of the given sequence? So we have two sequences given here, part A and B. They are similar. Part A is 0.1, 0.17, 0.171, 0.1717. So what we notice is that 1717 repeats after the decimal, right? In the second sequence, it is 7373 that repeats, right? It's 0.7, 0.73, 0.737, like that, right? Now, these kinds of repeating sequences could also be written in general like this. For the first sequence, I can write this as 0.17 recurring. So this bar on the top indicates the numbers which are repeating, right? 0.171717, right? So like that, I can represent this sequence. Similarly, you can represent the second sequence as 0.73 recurring, right? Because 73 repeats. So that is how we can represent them. Now, to find the limit, I will show you a method of writing this kind of a sequence as a fraction. Now, if I can write it as a fraction, then it'll be easy to find the limit of the sequence, correct? So the whole exercise here is basically to write our infinite series as kind of fraction. So let's try to do some math here. So y equals to, let me say, let y equals to 0.1717 and so on. So where 17 is repeating, so I'm just writing it like this. So 17 repeats. Now, what is 100y equals to? 100y will be equals to, this decimal will move two places, right? So we get 17.17 repeating, right? 1717 and so on, correct? Now what is 100y minus y equals to? So we do 100y minus y equals to. So when I take away from this, that is 17.17 recurring minus 0. It is 17 recurring, right? It is equals to this, correct? And that is equals to, so we see that the repeating part gets cancelled off, right? So it is just 17, right? So it is 17.0, that cancelled off, 0.7 minus, correct? So we get 17, good. And on the left side, we have 100 minus 1y, right? So that is 99y. So we get 99y equals to 17, correct? Now from here, we can write down what y is as a fraction. Do you see that? So from here, we can write, so what did we get? We get 99y equals to 17. And therefore, y is equals to 17 over 99. So this series can be represented as 17 over 99. So basically, we can say that the limit of this series is 17 over 99, correct? So the limit of this series is 17 over 99. Oh, sorry, 17 over 99. So that is how we get the limit of such a series, and that is also a way of writing such series as a fraction. Since we can write them as a fraction or a rational number, these numbers are called rational numbers, and if we cannot, then they will be called irrational numbers. I would like you to follow the same process and figure out what is the limit of the second sequence, 0.73 recurring. Okay, thank you.